we are going to take a short break after not our current presenter, but our following presenter, so that we have a time to get up and stretch our legs and get to enjoy the snacks that are provided for us. So now we have Sicheng Peng, who is a bridge student from China who obtained his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from Wuhan University of Technology in 2012. He is currently pursuing his master's degree of telecommunication at George Mason University. After a summer internship with China Mobile Corporation, the largest communication corporation in China, Sicheng found that he was interested in the specialization of networking and communications. As a result, Sicheng's research interests focuses on computer networks, telecommunication systems, and cybersecurity. After graduating from George Mason University, Sicheng plans to pursue a career as a network or computer system administrator with a network company in the United States.
Hello everyone, I'm Sicheng. I'm so proud to stand here to present my diploma research. Today I'm going to discuss about online video communications. Have you ever experienced a terrible video conference with your family? Do you feel embarrassed when you have to repeat your points again and again during the video conference? Today, I'm going to focus on the online video communications, suggestions for optimizing the quality of the video talent. To begin my presentation, I will read my bilingual abstract in Chinese. 摘要：致力于提高网络视频质量。我在演讲中将在非等值系统的基础上介绍如何优化互联网通信。我将推荐3种改善网络视频的质量方法，包括设置优化调度程序、改变数据传输方式以及控制系统流量。To open up my research, I will follow up these 4 steps. First, I will introduce what is voice and video communications. And then I will compare internet network and the public switch telephone network. And then I will analyze different recommended ways to improve the quality of online videos. And in the end, I will introduce some future research about the online videos. As mentioned before, the video and voice communication is becoming more and more popular. Some real-time applications like Skype, Google, and Hangout has been a popular way for communicating. Universities have established a remote education for part-time students. Business companies have established distance business over cities or even over countries. And students who are going abroad can meet their family by online videos, or even in 1,000 miles. But the online videos is not always played well. The quality of the video is low, and the voice sometimes delayed and lost. To explain how to improve the quality of the video conference, I will first make a comparison with the internet network and the public switch telephone network. Let me think about if you calling somebody by phone. You always have a good performance. You do not need to wait for the voice. Your voice cannot be lost. That is because the architecture. A telephone architecture is isochronous, as can be seen in my handout. Isochronous means synchronous. That means the input is delivered at exactly the same rate as the output. But the internet network is not isochronous. The input is delivered at a different rate as the output. So I posed my research question. How will technologies optimize the quality of online video over an IP internet without using an isochronous architecture? I recommend 3 different ways through the improvement: by setting up an optimized schedule, by changing the transmission path, and by controlling the internet traffic. Let me first explain about setting up and optimize scheduling. As my handout shows, the scheduler is the computer hardware that will arrange things in the order. Setting up a optimized scheduler may improve the quality of online videos. According to Hong Li and Mei Lin, they proposed a scheduler by reducing the print length. This scheduler supports real-time multimedia transmission and provides a better quality of service. By reducing the print length, this kind of scheduler will lead to a small packet delay. A low quality of online video may lead by packet duplication, packet loss, and packet delay. Therefore, the whole network must guarantee isochronous architecture. That means a symmetric throughput should be provided. Dr. M and Habib debate the first scheduler because they do not provide a symmetric throughput. Because of the traffic of the bottom line, as the picture shows, the authors has proposed a scheduler that provides better synchronization between X points and stations and will reduce the packet delay. Similar as the former two schedulers, the third scheduler is guaranteed bandwidth to meet the latency and jitter requirements. Let me explain what is bandwidth. Bandwidth means the capacity of the network. A better bandwidth will provide a low delay. Therefore, these three schedulers can improve the quality of the online videos. Next, let me explain about how to improve the quality by changing the transmission path. I will introduce two ways to facilitate the transmission. The first one is stream multiplexing, and the second one is packet dispersion. Stream multiplexing is able to release the header for the voice streams between telephone gateways and decrease the number of voice packets. Let's show the picture. A multiplexing is combine multiple packets into one packet. Let's make an analog. We send something by post office. The two packages for the same destination should be combined into one box. So it will be easier to transmit them, isn't it? Another way for facilitated transmission is packet dispersion. This is used of, this mechanism will be in this send the packages in a parallel path. Let's make an analog again. Like a bank, if you wait in the bank to have something to apply, the bank, if the bank provides more windows or more assistance, you no longer need to wait in your line. That will facilitate the transmission. Like we can see, these three different routers are the windows of the bank. Last, let me introduce how to reduce and improve the quality by controlling the internet traffic. First, I will explain why internet traffic affects the quality of a video. Network administrators pay attention to network traffic because they must to guarantee a bandwidth. Data flows quickly and can achieve a smoothly running video telephony when the amount of traffic of the network is small relative to its capacity. I suggest two ways to controlling the traffic of the internet. The first one is by updating internet protocol, and the second one is by flow control. The internet protocol like RSVP and IPv6 can offer ways to minimize the voice traffic over the network. I will emphasize on the flow control. The first one of flow control is stop and wait. This is like a traffic light. you stop when the red light and then go as the light turns to green. The sender sends some packages to the receiver, and the receiver will feedback and acknowledge to the sender again, and the sender, after the sender receives the acknowledge, they will send the second package again. This way will, in this way, no duplication packages will be flowed into the control, into the channel. For the second method is by setting up a congestion window. You see that picture, the sender will send the packages increased by 2 times. After they reach the half of the capacity, they will reduce by 1 time. And after they reach their full capacity, the sender will stop and come to 0 and reset again. These are ways to avoiding traffic congestion. Last, let me talk about the future responsibilities. Also, we have introduced some ways to improve the online videos, but it is just based on the isochronous network. Also, they have significantly improved the quality, but the packet delay, duplication, and the latency cannot be completely eliminated. So what additional technologies is needed for researchers to make a better performance? Researchers are exploring ways to let the IP internet can function like an isochronous network. Maybe a protocol like the real-time protocol is needed to transfer, and a mechanism is needed to establish and determine the telephone calls. This mechanism is like a telephone, so the future research focus on changing the network, internet, to telephone network. Today I have suggested some methods to improve the quality of video over an non-isochronous structure. First, I suggest success schedulers to keep a symmetric throughput, and then I suggest methods to facilitating the transmission by stream multiplexing and packet dispersion. Another way to improve the quality is controlling the internet traffic. Also, these ways can significantly improve the quality of online videos, but the delay and loss cannot be completely eliminated. So researchers are finding a way to make the internet function like a telephone. In the future, maybe researchers will find some ways to make the internet function like a telephone. And we have a high quality of video conference. Companies do not need to travel hundreds of miles to have a meeting. And we may call somebody else by online applications, but not by the telephone company. We may by Skype, for example by Skype, for example by Viber, and this is for free. So maybe one day in the future, the telephone company will be closed.